Hi everybody, it's Amy Sickley again, and hopefully you've gotten in your box, you've tried out all your oils, and you've pulled that secret ribbon to get into the compartment below. And in that compartment, you're going to find 2 packets of Ning'Xia Red. This is the most amazing stuff on the planet. It has more antioxidants than anything else on the planet. Let me say that again, more antioxidants than anything else on the planet. Our whole family does at least 1 shot of this a day. My husband actually takes a packet in his lunch, but the rest of us take 1 shot a day. It's pretty bad when your 5th grader goes to school and tells the teacher we're taking shots every morning. Anyhow, this is an essential oil infused puree juice. It is amazing. It's a whole food. Your body recognizes it as a whole food. And because it has essential oils in it, it makes it 60% more bioavailable. That means your body can uptake all the vitamins and minerals and nutrients in it 60% better than if those essential oils weren't in it. This is a deal breaker. Everyone on the planet needs to be drinking this every day. It is great and it tastes good too. So get out your sample, try it. For my team, I really would love for everyone to use Ning'Xia Red every day. All right, you guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.